Guide me, O the great Redeemer, pilgrim through this barren night. Thy coming, but thou art mighty. Hold me with thy powerful hand. Bread of heaven, bread of heaven, feed me till I want no more. Feed me now till I want no more. Open now the crystal fountain, where sky beneath waters flow. Let the far unclouded pillar lead me on my journey through. Strong deliverer, strong deliverer, be thou still my strength and shield. Be thou still my strength